Heart attack symptoms in women. Number 1, chest pain. Often a heavy, tight, or squeezing sensation in the center or left side of the chest, lasting several minutes or coming and going. Number 2, pain in other areas. Discomfort may spread to the arms, especially the left, jaw, neck, back, or stomach. Number 3, lightheadedness. A sudden feeling of faintness or weakness, sometimes with dizziness. Number 4, sweating. Intense sweating without physical activity, with cold, clammy skin. Number 5, shortness of breath. Trouble breathing or feeling winded, even at rest. Number 6, nausea or vomiting. Queasiness or vomiting, often mistaken for indigestion. Number 7, anxiety. A sudden sense of panic or doom, similar to a panic attack. Number 8, coughing or wheezing. Persistent cough or wheezing could signal respiratory